Welcome back to Bazzar Repairs. What do I got today, guys? I got some old school two-way radios. I'm going to be going to Utah pretty soon, and I wanted to get some two-way radios because we got about a group of 7 people going, and I didn't, we're going to be split up. There's going to be multiple times where we get split up between the 7 of us. So I went on Amazon. I looked around, found some pretty good radios for pretty cheap. Now, this comes with 3 radios. This is the Midland two-way radios with 22 channels plus an additional 14 channels. NOA, weather alerts, and silent operations. It comes with the base charging deck. Also another charging deck that you can slide in through the audio port, it looks like. So 2 different charging ports for $79. Pretty good ratings, so we're going to give this a whirl. I'm going to set it up here, unbox it, put it on the charging dock, see how long it takes to charge, and then I'm going to take it out to Utah and see what kind of range I can get with this thing. So, I want you guys to stay tuned because this is going to be in a video involving multiple locations. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get these things unboxed. Let's see. Flippity scoo. Kind of look like these things were opened already. Hopefully not. Alright, let me just get my paper here. So this is a 36 channel FRS two-way radios, long range walkie talkies, and 121 privacy codes. And NOAA weather scan plus alert, yellow and black 3-pack. So let's see. Ooh, like always, we don't need that. These are cool. Let's first start with this. We got a charging docking station. Looks like you can fit 2 walkie-talkies in at a time. We also got lights here to know when we're done or when it's charging. That's cool. Set to the side. We got a charging, just a regular 120 volt. We got another one. Oh, that's actually the charging station as well. Over here looks like it's some kind of audio jack. So I'll have to figure out what that's for. So it must charge. Oh, you know what? You can charge 2, it looks like. Yeah, so that'll be able to charge 2. This charges the station, so you do need both. That's cool. Is we got 3 rechargeable batteries that we'll be inserting, and the walkie-talkies themselves. Let's open one up here. We'll put the battery in on camera and also start charging it. Let's see how long it takes. So that's it there. See that to me? Let me zoom in a little bit so you can. Yeah, there you go. So. Menu button, call, belt clips, charging port at the bottom, good sturdy build, nice and small, yellow, breaker 19, yeah, looks really good, I like it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the battery installed and then we'll get this thing charging. Okay, so first thing before we get the battery installed, let's just peel off this little sticker there. And the belt clip actually comes off. You might not be able to see it, but there's a little tab in there that you can just kind of press down and slide the battery clip off. And just press down, and that comes up. Please switch to high power to get maximum range. Will do. Alright, now let's throw the battery in here. Just like so. Perfect. Alright, looks good. Slide this back on. Sweet. Oh, battery's already fully charged. I'll still charge it just to see, but yeah, that's cool that it already comes fully charged. See if the antenna detaches. Doesn't look like it. menu. Those are your channels there, it looks like. Monitor scan. This is scanning the channels now. Looks like nobody's in the area. Turn you off. Call button. On the side here we have the mic and the S and the speaker. On the side here, that's just our call button. Alright, so let's turn that off. Slide the belt clip back on. I'm actually going to put a battery in one more, and I'll just charge it just to see, just to make sure that they are fully charged. Let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, so what we're going to do is, you have two charging ports. I'm just guessing, but I'm thinking this charges both right through the port here. Yeah, it says mic charging, so yeah, I'm not guessing anymore. Without the charging port, so it's cool. If you got these on the run, if you're actually camping, you just want to take this with you, plug it into an outlet, and you can just plug into here. At home or at your station, you'll just want to plug into the back here, like I'm going to do. We're going to charge them both that way. So let me plug this in down below. Give me a second. Okay, just undo that there, and then we'll see. Okay, just unwrap that. Going down. All right, charging port is plugged in. Let's just see what direction these go in. Alright, got a light. And second one in, second light. So there you go. It fits in nice and snug. Really fits pretty good. And they're charging. So we'll just let that sit and see if these will turn green. You know me, I don't read manuals too much. So we'll see if those turn green or if the lights will turn off when they're done. So I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so I've had these on. It looks like the lights do not go off, but they recommend charging these for 12 hours, but mine were already charged. But like I said, the light will never go off, so just leave them on for as long as you need and then take them off. So I'm heading to Utah, guys. I'll report there, and we're going to do a couple videos and see how this thing works. So I'll see you guys in Utah. So Santiago's going about a mile away. He should be about a mile there. We're gonna go ahead and you can see him over there. I don't know if you can see him in the distance. Probably about a half mile right now. So let's just go check in on him. Chago check. Chago check. Can you hear me? Chago check. Chago check. Can you hear me?
I hear you. It's close right here. I gotta go back.
Sounds good. Loud and clear. Loud and clear. Sounds good. Alright, as you guys can see, he is about a half mile away.
Hold on. But I'm coming back to our zero, yeah, because there's no way to left from here.
Roger that, 10-4. Turn the volume up if you need a little volume. Alright, so half a mile works really good, guys. We will try a little bit longer of distance in a little bit. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do a range check. He's well over 2 miles away now, completely at a distance here. Can we get a range check? Range check.
10-4, Brian.
Sounds good, crystal clear. Okay, currently day 2 of Utah. This beautiful place we are here. We're finding parking right now. Hey, we're ready to do this. We made it to Angel's Landing. Now we can't climb up the chains there because it's against the law, but we are going to do another. mic check. My friends, they're less than a mile away, but all throughout some rocks, and you can clearly hear them. Let's try again. Mic check. I made it to Angel's Landing. The Angel has landed. Can you confirm you've landed too?
I confirm. 10-4.
Gotta say, guys, these Walkie Talkies are absolutely fantastic. They're cheap, they're small, they work. I got 3 of them. We've done couple mile range, flatland. We've done rocky mountain ranges. They work pretty good. You know, for the price, you can't really beat it. So you guys, please like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna end this video here at Angel's Landing. Just want to say, if you want to buy these and you got a pretty big group, you go ahead and get these. All right, Beep Powder out.
Shit, I thought you were short, we gotta catch fire.